Good morning, everyone. This is Mike Fernandez again, an MMM Global Manager for MMM Philippines. And today I will be showing you a tutorial on how to fulfill your PH order. This is actually the second part of the PH process. The first one is placing your PH order, and this one is actually fulfilling your PH order. So, PH literally means provide help. So, ito yung nagbibigay tayo ng donation sa MMM community. I suggest that you open or log into your MMM account, and also side by side open nyo na rin yung Bitcoin account nyo. In this case, we're using CoinsPH as our Bitcoin wallet. So going back sa dashboard natin, may kita natin yung order created para sa transaction natin for PH or provide help. So, click lang natin siya. And then, sa loob ng order, may kita natin yung amount na nire-request ng recipient at yung equivalent BTC amount niya or Bitcoin amount niya. And this one, itong mahabang to, this is the actual Bitcoin account ng ating recipient. Meaning, dito natin ipapadala yung Bitcoin amount na nire-request from us. And may kita rin natin sa loob yung pangalan ng ating recipient, yung pangalan ng manager ng ating recipient, yung pangalan natin na sender, at yung pangalan ng manager natin. So, as you can see, nandiyan yung mga contact numbers ng mga recipient at saka sender para madaling mag-communicate sa isa't isa. And if we scroll down further, may kita natin yung mga options upon completion ng payment. So, first thing that we need to do is to copy the amount or the BTC amount from MMM. And we'll have to do the transaction sa Bitcoin. Our MMM account or MMM dashboard is a separate entity from our Bitcoin account. So, the actual transaction is actually happening, or the actual transferring of money is actually happening within Bitcoin. So, sa loob ng Bitcoin account natin, we have to select send to another wallet. And i-paste po natin dito yung kinopya nating BTC amount. And this time, kailangan lang natin siyang lagyan ng dot after the first zero para mag-reflect yung tamang amount niya. So, if you will verify, 0.08703319 is actually the same dun sa requested amount sa MMM system. Yun nga lang, instead of a comma na din-display sa MMM system, we just have to replace it with a dot here. So, pakita ko lang ulit, paste lang natin yung BTC amount and then replace or place the dot after the first zero. And then going back sa MMM system, we have to copy the Bitcoin wallet address ni recipient and paste it sa BTC account. Alright, and then after that, click continue lang. So, confirmation box, click send. Okay, and then afterwards, magdi-display sa recent transactions yung amount of money na sinesend natin dun sa particular Bitcoin wallet. So, we have to take a snapshot of this kasi kailangan natin siyang i-attach dun sa MMM dashboard. So, click lang natin to and then mag-open yung transaction details. Sa Windows 7, we just have to use the snipping tool. Okay, and then save lang natin siya. So, ang ginagawa ko kapag nagsisave ako ng file, kinokopya ko yung order number. And kinokopya ko rin yung recipient name. and I add the date of transaction. Okay, and then after that, babalik na tayo sa MMM system natin. So we have to confirm naman yung payment natin. So select lang natin yung second option, which is I completed this payment. Attach the file. And then place some notes. And then click next lang sa bandang baba, and then next again after the confirmation ng order. Alright, and then babalik tayo sa dashboard natin. Makikita nyo na merong check mark na yung order, and then yung sa confirmation meron siyang attachment. So ito yung snapshot na ginawa natin kanina. Maganda siya as proof of transaction na ibigay kay recipient. Okay? And then, there's also a message option dito sa order box. So, type nyo lang yung message nyo and then browse for the file. This is actually good to utilize para merong proof of communication at saka transaction with the recipient, in case we need to open a support ticket with CRO. Alright, so ang next na rito is aantayin natin na ma-confirm ni recipient sa MMM site niya yung contribution natin sa kanya, and then afterwards mawawala na siya sa queue natin. So this is the second part of the PH process sa MMM. This is how to fulfill the provide help order in MMM. If you have any questions, please visit our Facebook page and like us. That's MMM Team Bullet. MMM Team Bullet. Just leave us a message and we'll respond as soon as we can. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye!